we have the statistics questions, and this is the second one. We'll do part A in this video and part B in the next one. So pause it and have a go at it if you wish. But essentially, you've got the heights of 6 S2 pupils in Glasgow, and you have to find the mean and the standard deviation of those. So have a go at it, because I'm about to continue. So let's have a go at it then. We're going to call X bar as the sample mean, and the sample mean is the mean of these 6 numbers, and essentially you add up the 6 numbers. I know my application has changed today because I had to download a new one because the old whiteboard crashed. So it might take me a bit longer because I'm still getting used to this one. Plus 149. You want to add all of these up. Plus 163. Add 159. And we want to divide it by the number of numbers. So if you divide that all by 6, you then get X bar, the sample mean. So that gives us, if you use the calculator, 157 centimeters. And let's make it clear that this is the mean. So the mean is 157 centimeters. If we want to have a look at the formula that you're given on the exam sheet for standard deviation, I recommend using the version circled. So we have to find x minus x bar squared. We have to find the sum of the x minus x bar squared. So let's first of all find x minus x bar for each of the values in the sample. So you've got your table. X is each value in the list. X bar is 157. So we have to find how far each value is from the sample mean. So we have to find the distance between the value and 157. If we have a go at this, if 157 that's 0, 161 is 4, 153 is minus 4, 149 is minus 8, 163 is 6, and 159 is 2. And we'll make a table of this. We have to then square each of the values in the second column. So if you take the square, all of these squares should be positive. looks pretty good. Table does not have to be neat. Then what we have to do is find this quantity. What this means is it's the sum of the x minus x bar squared. This symbol, this one is sigma. And what sigma is, it's the sum of these x minus x bar squareds. So what we want to do is we want to find the sum of, we have to find the sum of all of these. So we have to add up all of these numbers, and that gives us x minus x bar squared. I recommend doing this on a calculator because in an exam it's easy to make simple arithmetic mistakes because it's very tight for time, high pressure and high stakes. So doing that will give you a total of 136. And the formula is this. Make sure you copy this down correctly and you know how to use it. N is the sample size, so we want to put in 6 minus 1 is 5. Many pupils forget the minus 1 part and they put 6 in, and the sum of the x minus x bar squared is 136. And that's all over 5. Make sure you put the square root over the entire fraction. Don't just put it over the 136. Again, this is a common thing that I did wrong back in 2016, 2017 when I was in school and I did this course. So you do 136 divided by 5 in the calculator and then take the square root. And to 2 decimal places, we're going to have 5.22. Check the question. Does it ask you to round anything? No, it doesn't. So I'm going to use 2 decimal places or 3 significant figures. And we'll label this to make sure that they know it's the standard deviation. And got to 2 decimal places. And that's us finished the question. So I hope you found this video useful and best of luck with the studying. If you have any issues, just leave a comment in the comments. But thanks for watching.